Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Champion ang UP Fighting Marons matapos pataobin ng Del Eso Green Archers sa Do or Die Finals Game 3, 66-62. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Quentin Meliora Brown sa likod ng kanyang 14 points, 10 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal at 1 block. Top performer naman ng Del Eso Green Archers si Michael Phillips sa likod ng kanyang 18 points, 12 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Tinanghal naman na Finals MVP si Kagulangan sa likod ng kanyang 12 points, 2 rebounds, 4 assists at 3 steals. Abadiano 9 points, 3 rebounds at 1 steal. Alarcon 7 points, 4 rebounds at 2 assists. Frances Lopez 12 points, 11 rebounds, 6 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Meliora Brown 14 points, 10 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal at 1 block. Nag-ambag naman si Fortia ng 4 points, 1 rebound at 1 steal. Torres 2 points, 5 rebounds, 2 steals. Ododo 2 points, 3 rebounds at 1 block. Stevens 4 points, Felicelda 2 rebounds, 1 assist. Baila 1 rebound, Torcolas 0 point. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Para naman sa first runner-up na Del Eso Green Archers, Phillips 18 points, 12 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Makalalag 6 points, 3 rebounds, 3 assists at 1 steal. Agonani 5 points, 5 rebounds, 1 steal at 1 block. David 6 points, 1 rebound, 4 assists at 2 steals. Golyena 2 points, 2 rebounds, 1 assist, 2 steals at 1 block. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Nagtala naman si Kevin Kiambao ng 13 points at 4 rebounds. Ramiro 5 points at 1 steal. Austria 3 points, 1 rebound. Robico 2 points, 1 rebound. Dongo 2 points, 3 rebounds. Marasigan 1 rebound, 1 assist. Gonzales 3 rebounds. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.